down, chop up 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 down, up. For intro, para sa intro na yan, tuturo natin ng dahan-dahan para makuha nyo ang pag-intro gamit ang plucking na yan, ang strumming na yan, and mga chords na yan. So una, simulan natin sa 3rd fret papuntang 5th fret. So, kailangan nyo lang i-slide simula sa 3rd fret hanggang 5th fret. Then, after nyan is magsi-C. So, slide papuntang 5th fret, then C. Then, pagkatapos nyan, isang slide ulit papuntang 3rd fret to 5th fret, then G. Slide papuntang 5th fret, then G. So, ulitin natin simula. 3rd fret papuntang 5th fret, then C. 3rd fret papuntang 5th fret, then G. Pagkatapos ng dalawang yan is 2nd fret papuntang 3rd fret, then A minor. Second fret, papuntang 3rd fret, then A minor. So, simulan natin sa simula. 3rd fret, papuntang 5th fret, then C. 3rd fret, papuntang 5th fret, then G. 2nd fret, papuntang 3rd fret, then A minor. Then, after nyan, strum lang natin yung C, then F. Strum C, and then F. So, buuhin natin. 3rd fret papuntang 5th fret, then C. 3rd fret papuntang 5th fret, then G. 2nd fret papuntang 3rd fret, then A minor. And C, and F. Kapag natuom nyo na ang lahat ng yan, is kailangan nyo lang gawin na isabay sa ating strumming pattern. So, sa strumming pattern natin is down, chuck, up, down, up. So, ganito siya kapag binuo na natin. So, pag-aralan nyo lang ng paulit-ulit hanggang makuha nyo ang ating intro. Well, you done me and you bet I fell it. Tried to be chill, but you're so hot and it melted. Fell right to the cracks. And now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool time ran out, I'll be giving you my bestest. And nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. Rocking it's again my turn to read some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you find love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be love, 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 love. So, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm your yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm your so, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm your